My new video. Today we discuss little bit more further about partial differential equation. In my previous video you see how to solve first order non-linear partial differential equation with the help of Charpit's method. Now we discuss some general special form for these non-linear partial differential equation, because Charpit's method is sometimes very lengthy, very difficult to solve at the end also. So these are the some general. If question is in this form, we can direct substitute this form. For standard general form of non-linear partial differential equation, if our first order equation is f x y z p q equal to 0, then first form is equation in the form p and q equal to 0, function of p and q. It means x y z is not available. So if x y z is not available, then we can say hence the Charpit's auxiliary equation becomes dp by 0 and dq by 0. What is this? Charpit's auxiliary equation is dx upon minus del f by del p del f by del q. This means all other whatever, but this dp and dq going to be 0, because it is the derivative of x y z. There is no x y z, so derivative of x y z is also 0, so it becomes dp upon 0 dq upon 0. So we directly substitute. We will say dp equal to 0, it means p equal to a is the constant. We substitute in the given function here and find out the value of q in terms of a also, and then substitute dz is equal to p dx plus q dy. Substitute p and q in terms of a here and integrate it. We will get the solution. So it's very simple and easy if our question in p and q form. So how we solve? Let's go for some example. If we have question only p square plus q square equal to 1. See, this is in FPQ form because there x, y, z is not available. If x, y, z is not available, then we say this is in form PQ equal to 0. Hence, by Charpit's auxiliary equation, dp upon 0 equal to dq upon 0, it gives p equal to a is any constant. When p is equal to a is the constant, substitute here. So a square plus q square equal to 1. If a square, then what is q? Q square is 1 minus a square and q is square root of 1 minus a square. Clear? Next, final solution, dz is equal to p dx plus q dy. Substitute here. P is a dx plus square root of 1 minus a square dy. A is the constant. Integrate it. We will get the result z equal to ax plus square root of 1 minus a square y is the required solution plus one constant of integration. See, this is the required solution for given partial differential equation. It is so easy with this form. So you directly substitute. If this is in this form, we can say p equal to a is the constant, is one value of p. So next form we will discuss now. Next, another form of this. Sometimes we can reduce also the given question in this form. So I will show you how we reduce. One more example on same form. If we have x square p square plus y square q square equal to z square. Clear? So in this case, this is everything x, y, z, p, q is available, but we may reduce by some substitution in only PQ form. Clear? So how we reduce? See, x square, we can say xp by z square plus yq by z divide z square both the side, and then this becomes this. Clear? So we just rewrite this xp plus z y cube by z whole square equal to 1. Now if we put dx by x is capital of dx and dy upon y is capital dy and dz upon z equal to capital dz. If we put now substitute, so what is our capital X, integrate it, so this is dx by x is log x, so capital X equal to log of small x, capital Y is log of small y, capital Z is log of small z. So means we have to, what is our substitution? Substitution is this, at the place of x we substitute here, and what is our dx is dx by x. Clear? Now we want to find out the value of small p and small q. P is what? Del f upon del x. Yeah, first order derivative with respect to q is del f upon del. So how we find out? Let us see. Del z upon del x, if this is small z, del z upon del x, capital X, if we want to find out del z by del x is what? Our capital P. So this we can say del z by del z, del z by del x into del x upon del x. Clear? So see, this cancel out, only del z capital of del x will be remaining. When we substitute the value del z by del z, z is log z. So del z by, if we differentiate this g with respect to small z, this will becomes 1 by z, gives 1 by z. See, del z upon del z is 1 by z. Del z by del x becomes as it is. Clear? And then what is del x by del x? Del x by del x is again x. See, del x upon del x, x goes up. So we substitute here, this is 1 by z. This del z by del x, what our function in terms of del z by del x, first order derivative is small p, and this is x. So this term becomes px by z. See, px by z. Clear? Similarly, if we substitute same, we want to find out del z by del y, capital Y. So del z upon small del z upon del y upon del x, sorry, del y. So see, this cut out means this is same del z by del y. Now del z by del z is 1 by z. Del z upon del y is our small q. Function differentiate with respect to y is q. Del y by del y upon del y is, this y goes up, so y. So this is px upon z, this is qy upon z. Now we substitute this substitution in our given question. So this is whole square. So we can say del z upon del x whole square plus del z upon del y whole square equal to 1. Substitute in equation 1 what is given equation. Now see, this is, we can say this is capital P square plus this is capital Q square equal to 1. Now equation we reduce in PQ form. So we say from here capital P is equal to constant, any constant A, with the help of auxiliary equation of Char-Pitts method. Now if P is A, what is Q? sorry, capital Q, not small q. What is capital Q? A here, so this is 1 minus of a square. Clear? Now, what is our solution? Solution is also capital dz equal to p dx, a dx plus 1 minus a square dy. Clear? When this comes, we integrate z equal to ax, sorry, not small x, you must write these symbols in capital, 1 minus a square of y plus c. Now we have to substitute the value of capital X, Y, Z. What is capital X? Capital X is log. This is log of z, a log of x plus 1 minus a square log of y plus c. So this is the required solution of the given question. Either you leave in this form or maybe you remove the log also. Clear? So what is this? This is the reduced PQ form from any question. So sometimes we can reduce, if you know how we reduce, then you go, otherwise you go with the Char-Pitts method. Not necessary to go with this method. Next I show you the another second form of second standard form. If equation is in the form of z, p and q equal to 0, x, y is not here. If x, y is not here, then when we use this Char-Pitts auxiliary equation, we can say here del f upon del x and del f upon del y is 0. So with this we find always dp upon p equal to dq upon q. Clear? So how? Using Char-Pitts auxiliary equation for this given equation, then we will get this. So from here when we solve, integrate it, we directly say p is equal to aq. You know this thing, integrate both the sides. This is log of p is equal to log of q plus log of a. Clear? So when remove p is equal to aq, it will come. In my previous question you also see. And direct substitute p is equal to aq in given equation, then find the value in terms of constant. Clear? After that we substitute what is the value of a and p and q in dz equal to p dx plus q dy. We get the required complete solution. So this is another form. I will solve some example on this form, so you better understand how to solve this form also. So we go for the example. Question: solve p1 plus q equal to qz. Clear? See, in this case xy is not available. So our form, we can say this is in standard form of p, q and z equal to 0. Xy is not available. Hence with the Char-Pitts auxiliary method, dp upon p and dq upon q, we directly say p is equal to aq. Clear? So you no need to derive, you directly tell this is in ZPQ form. So our P is in form of AQ. Now if P is equal to AQ, we substitute in given equation. So AQ 1 plus Q equal to Q of the Z. Clear? So what is our Q? What is our Q? Solve it. AQ, Q square and there. So Q is Z minus A upon A. When you solve it, if Q is this, then what is P? P is G minus A. Denominator A cancel with this because P is AQ. Now P and Q is coming. We substitute in our answer. What is this? dz is equal to P dx plus Q dy. So dz equal to z minus A dx plus z minus A upon A dy. Clear? Now see what happened. Every term have z. So z is always with dz because it can't be solved with the x. Step 1. First you have to take LCM. A dz, z minus A here dx plus z minus A dy. Clear? Now if z minus A we have to taking from both the side. So A dz is z minus A dx plus dy. Its divide comes here, so z minus A. Clear? Now see, all z here, x and y with the constant. Now we can easily integrate it. It gives A log of z minus A. It gives A x only plus y plus c. So required solution is this. So you always remember, whatever the term with z, we have to combine with dz and then integrate it. Means we have to convert whatever the question is coming into integrable form. When we convert this into integrable form, we can easily find the solution. If we want to remove this A, we can take the antilog and we give answer in the exponential form also, and this will also okay. So next I will show you one more example. That next form is separable form. Clear? So third forms. First is the in PQ form. Second is the this ZPQ form. There are also some question we can reduce in this form and then solve, but it's very difficult how you recognize that this form is reduced into this form with what substitution. So it's better you go with the Charpits. Charpit can solve every question, but sometimes if directly question is given form, either PQ, ZPQ, you will apply it. Next is the separable form. We can say third is the so in this form question we can so in this form, first thing, z is absent, z is not available, and second thing, we can combine all x and p term one side, or we can combine all y and q terms one side. Means we can separate the variable x with p and y with q. If we separate these variable, then we can say with the Charpit's auxiliary equation, we can find that with this we can find p is equal to one function of x, and with this we can say q is one function of y. Clear? When we integrate, if p is function of x, q is function of y, then what is our solution? P dx. P is function of x dx plus q is function of y dy. Integrate it because this is all terms of x integrable form, this is all terms of y integrable form. When we integrate, we will get direct the solution. So that is the third form. If we separate the variable p with x, q with y, we can direct use that function in the result. So let us see one example how this form works. Now we go for one example. P square minus q square equal to x minus y. See, this is in p, q, x, y, but there in this case we easily separate. P square minus x equal to q square minus of y. See, this is f p x form and this is g q y. We can separate. Clear? So with this, if we can separate, we directly say p square minus x is equal to a, and q square minus y means equal to a, any constant. Clear? So what is our p? P is x plus a square root. What is our q? Q is a plus y of square root. Clear? Now p is in x, q is in x. Directly substitute in our resulting equation. What is dz equal to p root x plus a dx plus q root a plus y dy. Now we easily integrate. When we integrate, z equal to 2 by 3 means x to the power 1 by 2 plus 1. What is the formula? So I will write, maybe sometimes you forgot, x to the power 1 by 2 plus 1 is 3 by 2 upon 3 by 2 plus a plus y to the power 3 by 2 upon 3 by 2 plus of c constant. So we can say this is 2 by 3 of this, 2 by 3 of this plus constant is our required solution. So it's going to be very easy if we know this is in some reducible form. Sometimes if it is not in reducible form, we have to convert it. So I can show you in separable form how we convert. It is in separable but z is available. So what we have to remove this g. See, I write this is g. If I say this is square root of square. Clear? Z means. So I write z into p whole square minus z into q whole square equal to x minus y. Clear? Now if I say substitute square root of z dz. If I say this notation is small, then you easily understand the notation. I just change the notation. dz dz equal to capital dz. Clear? So what is our z? This, when we integrate it, 2 by 3 of z to the power 3 by 2 is capital of z. Clear? Integrate it. So our substitution, capital Z is equal to 2 by 3 z to the power 3 by 2. Now we have to find out the value of dz by dx. Clear? So because this becomes capital P our. So dz by dx we will write del z upon del z upon del x. Clear? So del z upon del z upon del z is root z, correct. So this is root of z, del z by del x, what? Our small p. So small p. So see, this term will replace here. Clear? Similarly for q, if we want to find out del z by del y, we can say del z by del z by del y. So this will becomes q and this will becomes square root of z of q. Now substitute here. So when we substitute here, what is our equation becomes? Del z upon del x whole square minus del z upon del y whole square equal to x minus y. Clear? We can say this is capital P square minus capital Q square equal to x minus y. Now this is goes same way, P square minus x equal to Q square minus y. Clear? This is inseparable. We can say this is equal to one constant. It gives P equal to square root of a plus x and same Q equal to square root of a plus y. Clear? Now substitute. What is our dz equal to square root of a plus x dx plus square root of a plus y dy. Same like previous question, we substitute. What is our z? Z is 2 by 3 of a plus x to the power 3 by 2 plus 2 by 3 of a plus y to the power 3 by 2 plus c. Now at the end we have to substitute this g. This g, what we substitute? Z is 2 by 3 of small z of 3 by 2. C is equal to, so we substitute here 2 by 3 of small z of 3 by 2. 2 by 3, 2 by 3 cancel out. So we can remove this 2 by 3 here. So our given required solution is this. Constant here merged with the c also. So what is the required solution is this. Means some the Clairaut's form, fourth one. I will show you this Clairaut's form in my next video. Okay. Thank you for today. If you go step by step, you will practice it. You will definitely know how to solve this first order partial differential equation. That's all for today. Thank you very much.